It just took me an hour to set up. You said what? You said get a new hobby? You're trash? Yeah. Okay, so hi guys. I hope you guys do. Hi guys, I hope that you guys are doing well whatever time you're watching this. I'm just gonna be trying on some clothes for you guys today. I got some stuff from PrettyLittleThing, and I also got some clothes from there as well, and I got some merch as well from Janae Aiko because we love her, of course. We stand her over here, and some shoes also from like Nike, and clothes from Forever 21. I forgot what I ordered. So let's get into the video. Now, I'm not gonna try on every item since it is a lot. So I'll just show like a few of the stuff. Okay, so I moved to the floor. I need to sit down. I was gonna try on this stuff, but I'm too lazy. So I did it first, but then I was like, So our first item is this like cute little green crop top. There we go. It's so cute. Oh my god. I like it too because there's like a zipper here and one at the bottom, so like you can open the bottom to have like some stomach showing, and then of course the top, always classic. But this is so cute. Look at that. Okay, there's that other one. Then next is this cute brown corset crop top. And try to like zip it up. There we go. Oh wow, that is so cute. That is so cute. I really like the color, like brown. It's just something about brown. Okay. Next is this sage satin cowl neck. I think I said that right. Cowl, whatever. Crop top. A lot of crop tops because it's freaking hot outside. Oh, that's what that looks like. It looks silver, like kind of gray on the camera, but it's like sage, of course. This is so cute. Okay. Move on. Moving on now. Okay. Dang. Next, I just got like a, I don't know how to, just a regular shirt. Yeah, printed tee. And it says Heaven Sent on it. This is Heaven Sent. So cute. Okay. Oh! I got these really cute, like, boyfriend jeans. I've always wanted those, or like mom jeans. So, let's see. And then like cut on the sides right here, which I thought was cute. Oh wow. Okay. That'll go good with the green crop top, now that I think about it. Next item. Oh! Now I'm probably not gonna show like everything, just a couple of the stuff, because it is a lot. Let's see. Ooh! I got this like other cute crop top. Kind of like lace a little bit. Here we go. I don't know why it looks like some of it is like falling off, but I guess, I don't know. Might have to cut that, see? That's cute. I got another one kind of like this from Forever 21, but I think it was like a different color, of course. But they're like really similar. So, also this one, not gonna open, but just like a cute little dress, I think it was. And it's like really dressy. So I don't know where I'm gonna wear that to. But just gonna have it. And then I got a white long sleeve shirt. Probably wear that with like some jeans, high heels. And then I got like this cute like lace bra over here. Open that up. Boom. Okay. Ooh. I also got these really cute shorts. I was trying to put like this outfit together. Here, let me. So like it was, at first the model had on like, it was sweats in this color. And it was gonna go with this cute bralette that I got, white bralette. I kind of wanted the sweats. I feel like that probably would have looked better. But I just got the shorts because it is kind of hot too, so. Got this with these. And then I was gonna put this over it. It's like a long sleeve plaid shirt. Let's see. Yeah. I'm gonna put this over it. Have it like open, of course, like flowing and all that. With this and the knees. And then I got the shoes to match also. They're so cute. Oh. Let me show you. And I already tried these on and oh my gosh, I love them. Me personally, see, I was gonna go with this. I make sure to match at least one outfit. I love bulky shoes, so a lot of people don't, just how, I guess because how crazy they can look at the bottom, but I love them. Okay, and then of course like the socks to go with those shoes. So I forgot what this was. Beige woven abstract crossover top. I might be able to wear it like this. Probably could wear it like this, but it's crossover, so like it's supposed to go like this. It's cute. With some like washed jeans, wherever you see them, and some heels. Boom. Okay, I think this is the Janae Aiko merch. So she was doing like her trying to smoke merch. Like, oh my god, let me hurry up and get this. I freaking love her. So I got a hoodie and a shirt. The hoodie's really cute though. I'm trying to smoke. If I could fly, I would probably never come down. I like the color too because it's like that minty green. And then I got the shirt as well that says "Trying to Smoke." And then it has her, of course, as a fairy on there. It's cute. I like the colors as well. Next, this is Forever 21. Oh my god. I need scissors. Oh wait. Come on. Ooh. Guns for days. Okay, so at Forever 21, I got a couple of items. I got this really cute, like, color block shirt, long sleeve. I think it's long sleeve. It's really cute. Okay. Oh! Before I forget, also got some jewelry from PrettyLittleThing as well. I got this really cute, like, cross necklace. You can see, got this really cute cross necklace. And this, like, silver chain necklace, and it has, like, a little lock on it, which I thought was really cute. I've always wanted one of these, so. Boom. Back to Forever 21. So then I also got like this really cute, what is this, like cheetah leopard print, taupe brown. So it's like one sleeve and then the other is just free. So I thought that was like really cute to get. I told myself that I was gonna at least get more girly clothes because a lot of my clothes are like baggy because I like to be really comfortable, so who doesn't? And I got this crop top, black and white crop top. It kind of gives me a little bit of like corset vibes, but doesn't have like the same feel to it. So then another crop top. Now this one here, I'm gonna this one's like really cute to me. Okay. So cute. And I like the color too. Okay. What else? What else? What else? This. You'd think I didn't order this stuff because I don't remember. Oh my god. Obviously another crop top. Like, it is literally that hot outside. It's a, uh-oh. I forgot what it was called. Knit top, crop top. Of course, it has a little buckles here. And that's cute. Also gives me like the corset vibes. Corsets are literally coming back, and I just find that amazing because they're so cute. But yeah, this is really cute. Okay. And this is the other shirt I was talking about with the lace down the middle. You can like tighten it and all that crop top. So that's that. I guess I did kind of show everything. And then just some shoes here that I thought were really cute. Also, they're bulky too. Like I said, I love bulky shoes. So yeah. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like, literally. I just thought it'd be fun, you know, do like a cute little video. I was gonna try this stuff on, but it wasn't working out. Like I said, I was too lazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and yeah, your girl's gonna go eat. I got Chipotle waiting for me. Okay, we'll see you guys whenever, wherever. Take care. Bye.